In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Gmail on your computer or laptop. Sending an email through Gmail is a simple yet essential skill that can be immensely useful in both personal and professional contexts. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer to use. Once there, go to www.gmail.com. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Google account email address or phone number, and then your password. This step ensures that you access your personal inbox where you can compose and send emails. Now, with your Gmail inbox in sight, keep an eye out for the Compose button. You'll generally find this button nestled on the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on Compose will open a new email window within your browser where you'll be able to start crafting your message. Next, focus on the To field at the top of this new email window. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person or persons you're sending the email to. If you have saved contacts on your Google account, clicking To might bring up a list from which you can conveniently choose your recipient, making this process much smoother. Beyond this, you might want to add additional recipients who will receive copies of your email. This can be done through the CC and BCC fields. CC or carbon copy allows recipients to see each other's email addresses. Meanwhile, BCC or blind carbon copy hides the list of recipients from one another, which can be useful for maintaining privacy. In the subject field below, it's important to add a brief description of your email's purpose. This subject line helps your recipients quickly identify the topic of your message. Think of it as a newspaper headline. It should be concise yet informative. Now let's move to the main attraction, typing out your message. In the large text area, you can write whatever you need to communicate, whether it be a detailed report or a friendly note. Take your time here to ensure your message is clear and concise. Should your email require additional files, you can click the paperclip icon located at the bottom of the email window to add attachments. Whether it's a photo, document or spreadsheet, attaching files is straightforward. Choose the file you need from your computer and it will upload alongside your message. Finally, once you're satisfied that your email is complete and any necessary attachments are included, it's time to send it off. Simply click the Send button, which is located at the bottom of the email window, and your email will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to sending an email through Gmail on your desktop or laptop. With these instructions, you can confidently manage and send emails whenever you need. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.